Hello, it's Christine Michelle, and I am here with AlignedSoul TV. And you can find me on AlignedSoul.com. And I am a transformational coach. You know that this week we are talking about gratitude. It is the 5-day gratitude challenge. It is day 3. So day 1, what did you do? You appreciated, you wrote 10 things, you realized that you had to feel appreciation. So you were going around saying thank you all day and truly embodying it and feeling it. And then the last video, we talked about money. Money is just energy. Money is that masculine energy, right? It wants to give. And it's all about you being in the energy of receiving. And by you appreciating money and exchange and all the things that you see around you, because you see tons of money exchanges, you'll see that difference and you'll see money really shift and be excited to flow into your life because you were so grateful for it, right? So that was the exercises. There's some homework. Go back to those videos if you have not watched them. Download the freebies because you get an example of what I did for the exact same exercise. And then you get a handout, a printout so that you can do that exercise with ease. So today it is all about thanking guidance, source, universe, God, whatever you are really connected to, right? So for me, it's really about appreciating, knowing that the universe, knowing that God has my back, knowing that I'm not alone in all of this and that everything isn't on my shoulders. And it's truly important to just really, when you are connecting, I like to connect and I like to hold my heart and just look above and really appreciate God, guidance, and source for flowing into my life, for just for me breathing, for me just being here, for me to be able to bring these videos to you, to be able to help raise your consciousness, to help you step into and be the woman that does her thing, for you to be the person who's living your life in the life that just lights you up. I'm so grateful for that, right? And I know that this is afforded to me because of guidance, source having my back, flowing through me, in through my mouth and saying exactly what you need to hear. That's all because I'm connected to guidance and source. So for today, the 5-day challenge, your day 3 exercise is first writing a short, just thank you letter to God, to universe, and just saying thank you for having my back. Thank you for infinitely supporting me. Thank you for infinitely loving me. I appreciate you. Thank you. It can be a super short letter. Then I want you to write a list. Just keep going. Just a list of all the things that guidance, that God has just flowed into your life, that you have been blessed with, that you have aligned with, that universe has reflected back to you, right? Whether it's the breath that you're breathing, your beautiful family, friends, maybe it's being able to watch this video and whatever device, phone, computer, whatever you're watching this on, right? There's so much in your life that God, guidance, and source has just co-created with you, and it's about connecting to and appreciating that co-creative partner that you have that is just so excited and ready to just really help you create exactly what you desire and really help you feel that joy and that excitement and really being appreciative of everything that you have and really just helping you just be excited and enjoy this life that you're living now. So when you write that thank you list, just write it and really feel it and the thank you, right? And then after that list, that is when you're going to do my special sauce, which is the God to-do list, the universe to-do list. You're going to write, these are the things that I would love now. Right? So God, universe, source, you said ask, believe, receive. I would like, and then start writing a list. Say, hey, I would like you to do this. I would like you to do that. I would like this and this. It can just be 5 short things that are really on the top of your mind. And then trust and believe that universe, guidance, source supports you, guides you, puts the things along your path. So know that when you get ideas about one of those 5 things, to step up and do it, because that's flowing from your soul. That is guidance. That is your gut, right? You can call it so many things. It's your intuition. You'll take inspired action, all of that stuff. As soon as you ask for something, it is done. It has been done because it's done in that parallel reality. And if you have questions about that, I have a video that talks about the parallel reality where all of the things, all of the possibilities already exist. And because they're flowing through you, these desires, you already have them. And it's all about you just stepping into it and being the person that already has it, right? So watch that video if you have not heard of that concept before. So when you ask, is already done, done, and done, right? So when you ask for it and you're in that vibration of having, receiving, being, and doing, you're going to get these insights, these hits, these things for you to take inspired action. So when you just sit in your appreciation, you're in the receiving mode, right? When you're like, oh my God, thank you for all of these things. Receive, receive, receive. Your energy is primed to receive, open to receive the next hit, the next inspired action. And then when you write the to-do list, you're saying, God, this is what you did all of this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I would now like this, this, and this. And then you're going to be inspired to take action. You're going to be inspired to do specific things. Go do them. Okay? So I want you to hashtag, let me know, what is something that you are so thankful for, so thankful to have in your life? Put it in the comments and let's celebrate together this thing, this whatever it is that you are so appreciative of. I'm super excited to hear about it. So let's recap. You're writing your 10 things that you appreciate, right? Just the 10 things that you just appreciate. And you're saying, thank you, thank you, thank you, to embody and feel that appreciation throughout your body. That's your assignment 1. Assignment 2 is you're going to write your God thank you list. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. Thank you so much for all of the things. Thank you for this, thank you for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, right? And then you're going to write your to-do list. Like, this is what I would like now. I love this and I love that. And thank you, thank you, thank you for it, because I know it's already done. Now, whatever you need, whatever I need to do to step into it, to be it, to feel it, to breathe it now, let me know. And you're open to and receiving that next hit, and then you're gonna go do it. And then the recap in the last videos, if you haven't seen them, we talked about, the first video was appreciation and the one thing that you might be doing wrong when you're appreciating. And that was what? Feeling. You're not feeling it fully. So watch that video if you haven't seen it. Then video 2, we talked about money and appreciating money. Truly, truly appreciating money, all the money that's flowing, all the money that is afforded, everything that you have in your life. We talked about doing that, and that just shifted and changed. Let me know what you thought about that video. And then now your assignment is to really connect. Write that thank you letter to God, universe, and source. Write the thank you list of all the things that you're so grateful for. And then write that to-do list of this short list of things that now you're co-creating with and stepping into. And so I want you to do that. It is day 3. Can you believe it? In the next video, we are going to talk about love, relationship love, intimate love, familiar love, every type of love, and how to create love in your life by being grateful. So I'm super excited about that video. I look forward to seeing you there. But if you don't want to miss when I upload it, you hit the notification button, subscribe, and then you will be able to get notified when I upload that video. So hugs, kisses, and all of the feels. Bye.